Good morning, everybody.
Good morning. Good morning.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Yes.
Cold
And also,
I'm glad it's not in the middle of winter though.
Yeah. We're all packed and ready to go. What time is it, Kenna?
it's 5:28 a.m. and I could not go to sleep last night. It was like 12:30 because it was so difficult. I felt like I could get up and run around the house. Because I was so excited.
Ago.
Yeah. Are you excited, Bubby?
Yeah.
I'm shaking. Okay, Caroline's coming, but she's still asleep.
She's gonna be so cute. I got my comfy like sleeping gear. But I'm not gonna be able to go to sleep. I thought I would, but like
I can't wait to be turned off the lights. I'm gonna be out.
we're going to dine.
For dinner? See, I'm gonna get you a blanket.
Good morning. Daddy's gonna get you all covered up so you're comfy, okay?
Does Caroline have a blanket up there? Yeah,
You're so sweet. Guess what? We're gonna drive to Dollywood.
If anybody gets cold, I have an extra blanket.
Okay.
Wait, Brielle, that's a teal.
Tell me what you're looking for, Sissy.
A bluish teal one, kind of like this one, but a little bit brighter of a blue.
What are you looking for, Layton?
I want that one right there with the on the back that's white and brown.
All right, let's go see if we can find one that's more little, like kid-friendly, okay?
I'm getting this one right here.
See if you can get him to spray farther. Like cover one and see if you can get it to spray. Y'all are funny.
I'll take coffee.
What are you getting, Briella?
I'm getting coffee.
Coffee?
Yeah.
You're funny. What are you getting to eat?
Chicken and dumplings.
What are you getting, Kenna?
Chicken and dumplings.
What are you getting, Caroline?
Jerky.
Grilled cheese?
Jerky.
All right, Daddy, what are you getting?
Food.
Food. Okay, Layton, what are you getting?
I'm getting a corn dog, but I don't know what my drink is yet.
Okay. Come on, Bubby. Try it. Yep, dip it in that, in the sauce. Dip it in the sauce just a little bit. There you go. Now eat it. do you think? You don't like the sauce? He just doesn't like any vegetable or fruit. You like the donut part?
I like it.
Okay.
I like it. I want one.
Okay.
I don't want to dip it.
You don't want to dip it?
I'll take another one.
You like those ones?
Yeah.
What are those called? I think they're too small, Sissy.
No, I got this one.
Yeehaw! You want to say yeehaw for me, Caroline? Come on, get Layton and Daddy. Come on. Get mommy. Oh, yeah. Oh, that was so fun. That was fun. Is it fun? She loves it so much. Woo! You're not scared, are you? No.
Can we go on the train?
Hey, Layton.
Did you really?
I sure did.
That's awesome.
I threw it about 10 feet. Oh,
All right.
you know what the difference between a banjo and an onion is?
What's that, man?
Nobody cries when you cut up a banjo.
Ain't that the truth?
It was the second ride, water ride.
Hey Jim, we're not going up to the water park to drop yet, are we?
My feet are still squishy and weird.
We're not going to the water park, folks, just ABCD.
Caroline, what was
You
your
want to go up the water park? Just
favorite?
go down the end there. We'll have a
I like
trip.
that water play.
You like the water ride? I think the first
Clear in
one.
the back. Clear in the front.
All right, Kenna, what was your favorite ride?
I can't choose. They were all really, really fun.
My favorite ride was like all of them. They were just amazing. The ones where my kids screamed in terror and had tears rolling down their faces.
Oh, we got a fucking tramp stop.
Look for him, for Daddy and Kenna.
You saw him? I did too. Yeah. You like this? Are you wet? Does it feel good though?
Yeah.
Can you wring out your shirt and your shorts? What do you think about this? It's so awesome, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can see so far.
Never gonna do later. Foreshadowing. Hey, back to the top again with some more.
Biggest smiles ever. Why are you excited?
Because we're going to the Ninja Warrior trampoline park.
Yeah. What are you excited about?
The same thing as Brianna.
You ready to get in bag? Not gonna break any arms, right?
No.
Caroline, where are we going?
Ninja Warrior. Say trampoline, Ninja Warrior.
Where are we going?
Trampoline park.
Trampoline.
Trampoline.
All right, let's go.
It's burning.
Spin jump, spin jump.